Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to share with you this beautiful bag. You can use it like that or you can hold like that. I hope you like it and you will try. I use 3.5 ball of yarn. I use Kartopu velvet. Its one ball is 100 grams and 95 meters. 92% of polyester, 8% of metallic yarn. They recommend us using 6mm hook, but I use 5mm hook because I don't want to make it loosey after using my bag. So when we put something in that, it gets easily loosey. So I don't want to this, and I use 5mm hook. And I use 3.5 ball of this yarn. You can choose which yarn you want. I give all the details in the video, but if you have any questions, please leave me comments. And also don't forget subscribe to my channel. Thanks for your time and support. If you're ready, we can start to crochet. Are so soft, so cute, and I love this color again. I want to give you color number. Sorry, V12. Shopping bag. Let's start crochet. We start our bag with a magic ring. Also you can make a 3 chain and join two sides together, but I use a magic ring and I use 5mm hook. Make magic ring, then chain 1 and not count that, and make here 6 single crochet. 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Then come to first stitch here and join with a slip stitch. You can see here 2, 4 and 6. Chain 1 and not count. Insert into the same and make 2 single crochet in every each stitch. 2, next one 2, 3 and 4 together, next one 5 and 6, next one 7 and 8, next one 9 and 10, next one 11 and 12. Again come to first space stitch and join with a slip stitch. After that, usual increasing we use for round bases. Chain 1 and not count, insert into the same. First stitch 1, you can put here a marker so not confuse much. 1, next stitch 2 stitch, next stitch 1, the fourth stitch 2 single crochet, fifth stitch 1, sixth 2, seventh 1, 8, 2, 9 1 single, 10 2 single, 11 1 single, 12 2 single. We have here 18 single crochet. Come to first one here and join with a slip stitch. After that, chain 1 and not count, insert into the same, count as the first 1, next one 1, the third one 2 single crochet, 1 1 2. After this round 3 stitch 1, the fourth one 2. After that round 4 stitch 1, fifth stitch 2. I give here how much increases I write here, and you can see that I increase that. I have until nearly 36 centimeter round base. I give here, you can, if you use more thicker yarn than me, you can come here with the 18 single crochet maybe, but I don't know how many single crochet I come to that size. I give here, after we will make our bags next level. Okay, I made base until I grow it up until I have 36 centimeter. I write here, you can increase like that, usual round base after turn 2. I grow with my circle base until I have nearly, you can see that, 40 centimeter. It's equal to 15 inches. And I have here 21 single crochet. The 22nd is 2 single crochet into it, like that. After that, I will crochet a single crochet in every each stitch, not make any increase. Okay, look at here, I made here 2 single crochet, join with a slip stitch. Now I will turn all around. You can put here a marker after that, it comes so easy. I put it here and make single crochet in every each stitch. I will turn all around like that until which length you want your bag. I will turn all around like that. After that, I will turn to you how much centimeter I crocheted and how many rounds I crocheted. I will tell you. I complete my rounds, not make any increase. A single crochet in every each stitch, only 1 single crochet. I complete after turn to you. After turn to you, I will tell you how you can make the handle. Okay, I complete and turn to you. I crochet from the marked stitch after 20 rounds. Okay, and it's, I want to give its measurements top to base here nearly 36 centimeter, and it's equal to 14 inches, and the width is, you can see that, it's nearly 19 inches, and it's equal to nearly 48 centimeter. Okay, now we start to make its handle. I have here 138 stitches, and I want to give here 22 stitch for handle, for first handle. The second handle, it's same 22 stitches I want to separate. I will make here, start from here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. Okay, now 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22. I insert into the 23rd stitch and join with a single crochet. Make the first handle. I have totally 138 stitches. I give here 22 and the second one 22, so totally 44 stitches for handles, and left here 94 stitches for the sides. I give here 47, I give here 47. So this is my first single crochet. I will make here totally 47 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this is 47. Now again 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22, and count here again 2 4 6 8 10 12 14 16 18 20 22, insert into the 23rd stitch and join with a single crochet. I made the second handle. If you want to make it more big handle, you will make here more, but it's so soft yarn. I think it gets a little loosey, and it's enough, I think, like that. Okay, then again here I have, this is the first one, and I have here totally 47 single crochet. I will complete it. 2 4 3 4 5 6 7, and the last one 47. I come to my handle. Now here the first stitch, you can see that I skip that because I want to make the handle more strong and be with the base main back. Okay, not make it so loosey. We will skip the very first stitch and start from the second one and leave here the last, so we will make here totally 20 single crochet. Okay, only this round we will make that. Okay, on the first round, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 20. You can 19 20, and you can see here left one stitch. I skip this last stitch and start from the main stitch and make my singles. I decrease here 20 stitches, only the first round. I will make single crochet in every each stitch until come to second handle. I come here and turn to you. I come to second handle. You can see here I skip very first stitch, start from the second one and make here again 20 single crochet. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 and 20. Left here one stitch, skip only for the first round, skip that and start from the main bodies single crochets. You have here 47 single crochets. I turn all around, come here and turn to you, but it's not a different thing here. We will make a single crochet in every each stitch, and I think I will make it 4 more rounds. I will crochet that. I come here and turn to you. I come to handle and not skip any stitches, make a single crochet in every each stitch. Okay, turn all around. I think 4 more rounds, so totally 5 rounds. I think it's enough for handle parts. I complete those rows. I will turn to you and I will tell you how many rounds I crocheted. I complete, you will make a single crochet in every each stitch. Okay, 5 rounds more after turn to you. I crocheted 5 rounds more after separate the handle. The last round I made slip stitch. I want to show you. Look at that. Insert next stitch, grab your yarn and join the loop like that. This is my last slip stitch. Grab my yarn, insert in that loop, chain 1 and cut my yarn. And hide my tail. And that's it. I take off that, and that's our bag. It's ready. If you want to use it like that, or you can insert here and hold your bag like that. I hope you like it. It's so simple and so fast crocheting. I use only 3.5 balls of yarn. It's so economical. I hope you like it and you will try. If you have any questions, please leave me comments, and also don't forget subscribe to my channel. Thanks for your time again. You can reach me on Instagram, on Facebook, on Pinterest, and on Etsy as the same name, Crochet with Gigi. Hope to see you in new videos. Have a nice day. Bye bye.